Oh my god, bro, you're not just the front, you actually do things?
How is it the middle of January and it's like 70 degrees today? It's like January like 12th today, and we're supposed to be in the middle of winter, but somehow it's 70 degrees. Greta Thunderbird is somewhere out there mad as hell right now. How dare you? So I'm here at this Mark 7 car meet, I guess, or it's more of a Mark 7 cars and coffee. But this shop in New Jersey, he hosted a little get-together because some guys from Maryland and PA were coming up to get stuff installed. So everybody was like, let's just all get together with the Mark 7s.
So apparently this is the boss's car collection, the one that runs the shop. Must be nice to be boss.
All this to make a remote starter.
Apparently the owner of that car spent about 30 grand in bolt-ons on it and has literally every bolt-on for the Mark 7 GTI you can imagine, well, except a turbo.
Rebus, turbo back. The whole thing is like 3 grand, so. That steering wheel is like $600 carbon fiber all red. Apparently he's pushing like 340 horsepower to the dyno and he's trying to get 600, which is crazy. I'm more concerned with how he's gonna get traction. But, you know, real races only start at 40 rows.
No, you gotta make sure you get my Instagram in. Please.
All right, what is it? Okay, give me a shout out.
It's a.scrofano. Please follow me.
All right.
Please.
Damn, that exhaust sounds good. Are you tuned? What tune are you at?
Nah, bro. I'm it's classified information, man.
He said he's calling everybody out. 40 roll. He'll 40 roll anybody.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a motor, right?
Damn, what battery is that? Is that carbon fiber?
That's that Volkswagen battery. You better watch out. Fuck, I can't get this off.
Yeah, so it has a confirmation that the remote tells you when it started.
Oh, okay.
So it beeps and everything. So you just press the start, press and hold.
Press and hold. All right,
Until it turns green.
And that's it?
Yep, then it'll start.
All right. Remote start. Let's try this. That's pretty cool. You can shut it down for a minute too?
Yep, you just press the same thing. So now it tells you that it started.
Yeah.
And all you gotta do is press it again.
Press it again.
Until it gives you the confirmation. That's it. And look at that. Boom.
Wow, super. Thanks.
No problem.
That's super cool. That's how you remote start GTI. And that RS3 in the back is also getting remote started right now, which is pretty cool. Super convenient those winter days. Damn, this dude's still working on his car after like 3 hours, man.
That's so tough.
Stop pretending like you know what you're doing. Just take it to a professional, bro.
I'm opening a shop. It's called
It's all Cloud Chasers.
Cloud Chasers out here.
It's replicas, right?
Who else do you know works in Uggs?
Works in Hugs.
Come on now.
Damn, he didn't bring out his Yeezys today to work in them.
Nah. The Balenciagas are at home.
They're as replicas? Yeah. Yo, Liquid Moly. Get yours here. Yo, these are cool. With a keychain. Air freshener. Another keychain. This is cool. Ooh, stickers. Mouse pad. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 GTIs here, I think.
I'll try to take some of these just in case.
Yeah, legit, like, this hood, just from here to there, is probably the length of a GTI. Yo, you don't even have a license plate on it.
Yeah, I gotta get my plate.
Are you gonna get pulled over for it?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? All right. If it does, let me know so I can film it.
Ready? You ready? Oh, not yet, not yet. Yo, did you lose traction with your traction control on? That's
Yeah.
That's how much power.
Yeah.
That's how much power. Nobody replied. And we out here. Damn, the stage 4. Gap 3 people, stage 4. Dudes be like, it's just a cruise. Follow me. You don't need GPS. Damn, bro, how many fucking turns is on this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, we going left, we going right. Oh. So we up here in Beer Mountain, just blocking off the road and tell everybody to go across so we can take pictures and stuff and chill out. But we also lost one to highway patrol for careless driving. RIP to the bro. Good luck.
You guys know any good dub shops that won't rip you off?
Yeah.
I think we do.
He owns one.
All right, here.
He
oh,
owns-
Talk to the guy in the jacket. He owns one.
You got the jacket?
All
Yeah.
right, well, let me park.
Yeah, pull up. Alright, so the owner is preoccupied right now. I'm taking AMG. Fuck it, let's go. Taking this home. He's not lucky. He's not lucky. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's so cramped in here. Go, go, go. Dude, everybody probably hates us right now. We just blocking the whole road. Everybody just having to go by. Oh shit, cops. He's probably gonna tell us to leave. Cops. Yep. Put on his lights.
Get out of the road, you can't park here.
Alright, we out here.
Yelled at.
Wow. 40-year-old. Yo, race him.